guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. I hope your week is off to a great start. I just wanted to hop on here because I had a couple requests from people asking to go through my top 5 meals that I have been using as like my meal prep. So I'm gonna hop on here and go through those with you guys. So as you know, if you've been following me, or if you're new to my channel, I am into health and fitness, and so I go to the gym usually 5 days a week. Sometimes that doesn't always happen, but that's what I try to go for. And then also, as you know, part of health and fitness is also a lot about what you eat. So I follow a couple people on Instagram that kind of gave me some of their favorite recipes, so I'll share them with you guys because they've kind of become my favorite as well, and then also some that I was already eating on my own. So the first one that I've been pretty much eating for the last few weeks is I really like fish in my air fryer. So I just put 2 pieces of fish in my air fryer, and then I eat them with a side of steamed vegetables with some cheese sauce, or plain with just a little bit of salt. Not a lot, just a little. So that's what I've been into lately. I also like shrimp. I've been into that as well. So those, I guess, are 2. And then my third favorite, or third food that I eat, is I've been making a lot of salads. Now, I'm not a huge salad person, so I've kind of been experimenting, and I found that I really like imitation crab, which you can purchase at Walmart, or probably Festival, or Whole Foods, or Kroger, whatever grocery store you have. It comes in a little package like this. It's kind of pricey, but it's really good on salads. And so I've been using that, or ham cubes on my salad. And then I've been using Caesar salad dressing with croutons and a little bit of cheese. And then I really like cut up cucumbers on my salads as well. So that is a third food that I've been eating. And then another one that I was introduced to by one of the girls that I follow on Instagram is lean turkey burger, and I usually get between like 85 and 90% lean turkey burger, and I've just found that at Walmart, or Aldi's, or again, whatever grocery store is near you. And so what you do is you cook it, and then you put 1 package of taco seasoning in it, and then you put that in a bowl, and you make a side of rice with it. If you like brown rice, you can do brown rice. If you like white rice, you can do white rice. And so then you put those in the bowl, and then you put a little bit of your favorite salsa over the top. So essentially it's kind of like a naked burrito, but it's really good. And then you can do a side of your favorite vegetables. So I'll either do sweet potatoes, green beans, corn. I really like asparagus. So whatever your favorite, you can do peas, whatever your favorite vegetable is, then make that as a side as well. And then I have meal prep containers where it's like split down the middle. And so like half you would put your rice and meat and salsa, and then the other half you would put a little bit of your vegetables. So that is what I made last week. And my boyfriend really likes it as well. So if I cook that for me, then I cook that for him. And so that's just a really quick, easy recipe. I will say though, if you're gonna make it for 2 people for sure, you're gonna want at least like 3 or 4 pounds of turkey burger, because I found that just 1 pound doesn't even get you 2 days worth of meals. So if you're meal prepping for 5 days, then you're probably gonna want to use at least 3 or 4 pounds of turkey burger if you're making it for 2 people. So that's my 4th one. And then my 5th meal is I have been making like chicken breasts in my Instant Pot, or if you don't have an Instant Pot, you can use your oven. But I have been making chicken breasts in my Instant Pot with different seasonings, and I don't use like any particular seasonings. I basically just grab whatever I have and kind of experiment with whatever seasonings I have in my shelf. So I've done lemon pepper, I've done just salt and pepper, I've done Lowry sea salt. You can buy this. Yesterday I meal prepped some chicken with this chicken seasoning that my boyfriend had picked out at Walmart because he's big into seasonings, so we always have a lot of seasonings in our drawer. So you can kind of experiment with chicken. It's really like, don't be afraid to try different seasonings. It's very versatile. And so then I bought fresh green beans, which I think I picked up at Walmart for like a couple dollars. It's just like a big bag like this. And then you just chop off the ends, and what you do is you boil water, toss the green beans in, cook the green beans until they're to your preferred softness. I like mine fairly soft, so it took a little bit to cook them. So do that, and then you take the green beans out of the water and you melt. You can either do olive oil or butter. I do olive oil. So you put olive oil in the already hot pan with some garlic. I just do minced garlic and garlic salt, and you just stir that together, and then you add the green beans back in, stir it all together, and you have really good green beans. So that is my 5th recipe that I have been making for meal prep. Now, in terms of snacks, I like cucumbers or carrots with ranch dressing. I will eat some Ritz crackers, but not an entire package, obviously, just, like a few here and there. I really like the Greek whipped yogurt. The vanilla cupcake is the one that's my favorite right now. So I'll eat that. I don't necessarily take out all my favorite foods as part of my diet. Like, for example, the other night we wanted ice cream, and so we went to Culver's and had ice cream, right? But that's not something that I'm going to do every single night. So just know that if you're new in health and fitness, it is okay to eat what you would normally eat. Just make sure you do it in moderation. And just portion it out. That's really all you have to do. I also like to have a protein shake here and there, even if I don't work out. It's just a quick, easy meal replacement. So I'll do that as well. So I don't really try to snack too often during the day. I am really busy at my full-time job, so snacking for me really isn't on my mind, I guess, which is good. But also a trail mix. I made a homemade trail mix, and that can be a quick, easy, dump a little bit in a bag and go. So if you're interested in that, I can tell you what I put into mine. But yeah, go ahead and feel free to let me know if you have any questions about anything. But those are my 5 top meals, and I basically use my Instant Pot for pretty much all of them, except for the turkey burger. I just quickly cook that on the stove. But other than that, that is all of my current top 5 meal prep recipes. I will probably venture out of my circle and try some other ones. So if you have a favorite meal prep idea, feel free to let me know. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, my fish just got done in the air fryer. Like I was saying, if you have a favorite meal prep idea or a favorite food, feel free to comment below. I'm always open to new recipes. If you follow me on Instagram, I post a lot of my recipes there. I'll link my Instagram account below if you don't follow me. And yeah, I'm excited that you guys are along with me on this journey, and I'm excited to share my progress, and eventually I will post a workout routine so you guys can see what I do on a day-to-day basis in the gym. I'm also working on getting my blog up and running into a public web server instead of just a private one. So I will link that as well. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Make sure you pass it along with all your friends and family that are trying to jumpstart their health and fitness journey, or maybe they already are and they just need a little bit of inspiration. I'm here for that too. I know it's difficult. It was difficult for me to start, but I promise it gets easier once you get over that hump of you know, the fear and everything else that goes along with it. So I will be sure to keep you guys all updated, but if you have any video ideas that you want me to make, go ahead and leave them in the comments below, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye!